To enable and customize power saving mode to save more battery on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery. Tap battery and then tap power saving. Here you can choose which additional option you want to enable when power saving mode is on. First, turn off always on display. You can enable this option so that your phone will automatically turn off always on display when power saving mode is on. Second, limit CPU speed to 70%. You can enable this option so that your phone will automatically limit CPU speed to 70% when power saving mode is on. Third, decrease brightness by 10%. You can enable this option so that your phone will automatically decrease your current brightness by 10% when power saving mode is on. Fourth, turn off 5G. You can enable this option so that your phone will automatically turn off 5G when power saving mode is on. And the last one, limit apps and home screen. You can enable this option so that your phone will only allow you to use selected apps, limit all background activity, turn off edge panel, and change to a dark theme when power saving mode is on. As the example, we will enable all options to get maximum power saving. Once you are done customizing power saving option, you can see how long battery can be last if you enable power saving mode here. You can see that your battery can be last up to 3 days and 8 hours. Next, you can turn on power saving through this menu by tapping the on/off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Or alternatively, you can quickly enable or disable power saving mode through the quick panel. As a note, when power saving is on, background network usage, syncing, and location checking will be limited and motion smoothness will be changed to standard. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.